Guys, this is a special video. We're going on a trip down memory lane. This first video I have queued up. It's, I don't even know how to intro it besides the fact that we were really into ripsticking. How to ride the ripstick. Punch. Oh my gosh. Classic way to ride it. This is the best way. This was Abby's favorite way. My favorite. I thought it was so cool. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh, I thought it was so artsy. I thought I was so cinematic with that shot. I haven't watched that video in like literally 5 years. I had to pull it up and find it on my mom's Facebook. We thought this was so funny. It might still be funny, and it's a little funny to me because it's just so awkward and such a terrible video. But we absolutely love making that video. Abby was the main subject. She's my sister, and we were both like killing it on the ripstick. Like we killing it. But how I was getting these shots, I was wearing rollerblades while carrying my mom's point and shoot camera, just like recording her as we go. And that was one of my first, videos that I made. I'm trying to think if there's one before this one, and I think there was definitely one before this one. But this was one of my favorites to make because we were just ripsticking all day, and it's absolutely embarrassing. I haven't shown anyone this. So you guys are getting like a first taste. So everyone's been, like asking me, how did I start? When did I start? How long have I been doing this? I've literally been doing it since I was a kid, from making really crappy iMovies like that, like everyone started out with. And I would not be at the skill level that I'm at today with my photo and video if I wasn't making those really crappy videos. So if you're the one that's starting out and making these videos, or just starting out and you're feeling discouraged, just understand that it's going to be a grind. It's going to be a long way to, the point you want to get at. And even now that I'm here where I'm a lot better than, when I was making that ripstick video, I still have my eyes set on a higher goal, and it's just going to be another thing and another thing that I want to keep striving for. And that's why you have to also enjoy the process, enjoy the journey, because that's where it's really at. Hope you guys enjoyed this video of archives. Next, I'm sure we'll be reviewing something that's going to embarrass the crap out of me, because that's what this series isn't totally intended for, but that's what it seems to be turning into.